Guys, just want to welcome you back for another video. Today is April 1st, and I'm so excited to do an unboxing for Dawn at Shiny Silver Treasure's new jewelry making sets. This is going to be the first of two that will be available for purchase on her website. The second one will come out later in the year. And as always, it is also release day for her paper crafting supplies. Her latest collection is out for that as well. But again, today is showing you the new jewelry making set. I'm just going to be doing the unboxing here. I'll give you a quick rundown of what's available in it. Per usual, all the information about this kit will be in the description box below, as well as all of the links for Dawn and the other gals on the design team. So definitely check out those links. And I will have a few videos coming up after this doing like mini tutorial, kind of showing you, giving you a refresher if you've done jewelry and have been out for a while, or if you're new and you need some pointers. That's what I'll be doing in the next video, which is also why I am not opening up the packages. I'm just going to show you what's there, and then I'll crack them open when I get to the project video. So without further ado, let me show you what is included. Okay, I am not going to go in any particular order, with the exception of I'm going to save those gorgeous beads for last, so because they are so pretty. You get a nice package of lobster claw clasps. You get a little beading tray. You get a package of crimping beads. You get a small roll of tiger tail beading wire. You get a package of oval-shaped jump rings. And you also get a package of, they're either referred to as clots or clamshells. Here in the States, I believe we call these clamshells. But again, if you're abroad, they may be referred to as clots. So these are the little covers. And then finally, the main focus of this set, which of course, Spring Bling, that's where you're getting the name from, that beautiful spring green. And you get a variety of shades of green as well as a mix of different sizes. But these are absolutely gorgeous. And I just do not trust myself to open this up because they will go everywhere, and I do not want to lose any until, before I start being able to make anything with them. So, because normally I do like to open up all the packages so I can show you a little bit better. However, for safety's sake, I am leaving them all in the package. So it's a fun, tidy little kit. And again, this is now available for purchase. This is the first of two collections that are going to be available this year. Always check. Quantities may be limited, so if this sells out, that could be it. So definitely go check out at www.shinysilvertreasures.com. So I'm going to leave it off here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care, stay safe, and I will definitely be seeing you in the next video.